Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will discuss Caiib BFM top MCQs. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Here the first question is, uncertainties resulting in adverse outcome, adverse in relation to planned objective or expectations are called, options are given, deviation, risk, unplanned या फिर unexpected. The correct answer is B, that is the risk. Next question, question number 2. Investment in post office time deposit is low risk investment, zero risk investment, medium risk investment या फिर हाई रिस्क इन्वेस्टमेंट. इन्वेस्टमेंट जो पोस्ट ऑफिस में टाइम डिपॉजिट होता है क्या है? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस बी, दैट इज इट इज द जीरो रिस्क इन्वेस्टमेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Zero risk investment implies investment in zero coupon bonds, investment in treasury bill, investment in government securities, a zero variation in cash flow from investment. The correct answer is option D, that is the zero variations in cash flow from investment. Next question, question number 4. Which type of risk is taken care of under RTGS? RTGS के समय में जो रिस्क दिखा जाता है वो कौन सा है? डिफॉल्ट रिस्क है, सेटलमेंट रिस्क है, मार्केट रिस्क है या फिर नन? द करेक्ट आंसर इज इट इज द settlement risk. Next question, question number 5. Indian companies are allowed to access funds from abroad through ECBS denominated in USD, Euro, Indian rupees or anyone. The correct answer is it can be anyone, USD, Euro or Indian rupees also. The correct answer is options D. Next question, question number 6. There are two routes for raising funds through ECBs. The first route is called direct route, automatic route, approval route या फिर either A or B. The correct answer is options B, that is the automatic route. Next question, question number 7. A back-to-back letter of credit is, options are given, one of the strength of which another bank's guarantee is obtained. A second set of phrase LC opened in favor of second beneficiary on the strength of original LC, one backed by the government guarantee. A set of two LCs printed on the back of each other. The correct answer is options B, that is the second set of phrase LC open in favor of second beneficiary on the strength of original LC. Next question, question number 8. A letter of credit which can be modified, amended on or cancelled without period notice to beneficiary is called, options are given, revocable, irrevocable, red clause, green clause. The correct answer is the options A, that is the revocable. Next question, question number 9. An irrevocable LC cannot be amended, modified, cancelled without consent of beneficiary, advising bank, confirming bank, negotiating bank. The correct answer is options A, that is the beneficiary bank. Next question, question number 10. As an exporter manufacturer, which one of the following letters of credit will you prefer the most? The options are given. The correct answer is option C, confirm irrevocable LC. So friends, hope you like the video, and if you like the video then don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.